Welcome to Workwell Occupational Medicine. Workwell is an independently owned, specialized provider of employment-related medical services. We provide occupational and general health and wellness services, and we treat work-related injuries to get employees back on the job as quickly as possible. There are several Workwell clinics in northern Colorado and the Denver metro area, so employees can visit the clinic that's most convenient for them. With multiple providers at each clinic, we can see patients quickly. Less than 10 minutes is typically the time spent in the waiting room for walk-in patients, while our triage system ensures injured patients are treated promptly. To help develop trust and rapport with a patient from the beginning, our doctors schedule a minimum of 30 minutes for an initial visit. At this visit, the doctors will talk with the patient about the injury and getting him or her back to work, perform a thorough examination, develop a plan for treatment and recovery, and determine if the employee can go back to work. After seeing the patient, the doctor will contact the employer to start the workers' comp claim off on the same page as the employer, directly communicate any work restrictions and other important information, and learn any additional information about the injury from the employer's perspective. For serious injuries, Workwell clinics have a trauma room with X-ray capable of treating emergencies that don't involve the risk of losing life or limb. When an MRI, surgery, or an orthopedist is needed to diagnose or treat an injury, we have a close referral network of specialists to treat our patients. But we also have a wide range of specialists on staff. These experts communicate quickly with each other to determine the best approach to treating the patient. In addition to treating injuries, Workwell provides employment-related medical services. Workwell has the certifications to provide DOT physicals and drug screens, OSHA respirator physicals, and specimen collections. We also offer many different medical tests for employees. If you need something specific, just ask us. For larger employers, our mobile services group can bring medical services right to the worksite. We can even build, staff, and manage on-site medical facilities for these companies. Back at our clinics, we have physical therapists on staff that can help employers in 3 primary areas. They help heal work-related injuries. They develop job descriptions to document the physical demands of a particular position. And they perform pre-hire function testing to make sure a candidate for employment can physically do the job. What you don't see when you visit a Workwell clinic is that our staff members are experts in workers' comp. We know the intricacies of the process, so you don't have to. You also don't see how easy Workwell is to work with. Each clinic follows the same procedures, including those customized for each of our clients. Plus, an employer can access information related to an employee's case and progress through a secure website 24 hours a day. To learn more about how Workwell can provide health and medical services for your company, please call our corporate office at 303-827-3158 or email info@workwellworks.com.